My name is Justin Liu, and this is my project for Python 1 for the winter of 2023. This project was inspired by a game where you can make choices, and your choices affected the outcome of your game, and it branches out into different storylines. What I really like about this project is the storyline that can change based on the player's choices. The main features I created for my project are the drawings, the inputs, and the differently generated choices. I used Python to create my project. During class, I learned about functions, loops, turtle, and different types of data types like strings and integers. Learning about functions allowed me to generate the project efficiently. The if-else statements allows the users to pick what they want to do and branch the different story outcomes. Here's an example of code I wrote for my project. The code in part 1 is a code for generating the choices. The code in part 2 is a code that generates pictures. Here is a piece of code generating the choices, and this is the console after you pick those choices. Here is the turtle code that generates the pictures. Again, here's the console and the choices, and these are some of my turtle drawings, and this is the code for the person that is here. And my demo, whenever you start the game, when it finishes drawing, you're gonna have an assortment of different choices that you can make that affects your outcome and ending. If you pick the wrong choice, then you lose. But then if you pick the right choice, you win. And then if I win, it gives me a different ending, like the name of the ending. Okay.
You had one more slide to do.
Oh yeah. Okay. Restart.
Start from the demo. We'll just cut it.
Okay. There's different like
Share screen.
outcomes.
Share screen. Share
Oh
screen.
yeah. There's different outcomes that when you start the demo, once it finishes generating the picture, you'll be given a bunch of choices that you can pick. And then you can either win or lose. So like in this case I lost. But then you can also win. Like after the picture is generated, there's gonna be an outcome. Like that. And then you can also win with like the good options. And then the next steps I would take, like my favorite part of working about My favorite part about working on this project was making the choices and the pictures. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add these three things: more choices, different endings, and colored pictures.